So here we have a dart being thrown with this velocity at this launch angle from this initial height. And there is a dartboard this far away from us. And the dartboard has a radius of 18 inches. So the diameter is 36 inches, which is the same as 3 feet. I want everything in terms of feet. So the question is yes or no. Does this dart, boom, does it hit anywhere on the dartboard? Yes or no? Look, maybe it goes over. Maybe it hits the ground before, or maybe it actually does hit the dartboard. It all depends on what your y coordinate is when your x coordinate is 20, because the dartboard is 20 feet horizontally away from you. So what you have to do is you have to find the y coordinate that goes with an x coordinate of 20. And this y coordinate will be compared with this. So let's find the y coordinate. How? Well, let's take the velocity and the launch angle and plug them in for all the v naughts and for all the thetas. So for my x component, I got this here. For my y component, I got this here. But again, I know that the x coordinate is 20. So I'm going to take 20 and plug it in for x there. And that would tell us that 20 equals 0.26t. And so t is about 1.95 seconds. So it takes 1.95 seconds for the dart to be 20 feet away from where you began, like 20 feet horizontally. The question is, darn it, what is the y coordinate that goes with an x coordinate of 20? So what you want to do is take 1.95 seconds and plug it in for t there and plug it in for t there. And I got a height of about negative 2.9. So the y coordinate here would be about negative 2.9, which means that the dart is kind of like this. Watch. It turns out it's kind of like this here, where at 20 feet away, we're actually underneath the x-axis about 3 feet, meaning, or the implication is that the dart, it hit the ground before the target. So do we hit the target? No. We sort of hit the ground before anything else. So what would the answer need to be in order for the answer to be yes, right? What would the y coordinate have to look like if we struck the target? I would need my y coordinate here. We would have needed a y coordinate that is what? Positive, but at the same time less than 3. If the y coordinate had been between 0 and 3, then yes, we would have hit the target. If it had been bigger than 3, then it would have flown over the target, missing it altogether. So final answer as is, no, we do not hit the target.